Still worried that the venue won't match your vision? Our 3D convention design offers an immersive 360 degrees preview, accurately bringing your ideal event space to life and ensuring every layout and circulation detail meets high-end requirements. Space efficiency enhanced. Maximize venue utilization, optimize attend flow, and improve event quality and experience. Standards compliance guaranteed. Strictly adhere to international exhibition standards, effortlessly passing industry audits and safety inspections. Pre-construction visualization. Full visual preview helps avoid costly on-site modifications and additional expenses. Customized expo solutions. Tailored space design and technical support based on unique needs for conferences, exhibitions, or ceremonies. SHINELONG helps you precisely build an international standard convention center. Welcome to inquire about cooperation.